Hello my dear friends, today we are going to see PlayStation 3 Sony. When the program is running, it shows the error message like it's overheat, so we have to solve this problem. So we can see how we can solve this problem. Before that, I will show you this surroundings and the model, everything. This is two USB ports, and this you can see the hard disk running indication symbol and the Wi-Fi symbol, and you can see this is written Sony. And so I will show you the corners and I'll show you the model of these. You can see this model. It's a PlayStation 3 model number CECH 2004B. This is the model, and you will find the screws over here. Just I remove the screws, all these corners, and you can see this is an opening. Just open this one. You will find our one screw over here. Just remove the screw. This is for a hard disk. You have to just push it like this, and you can take it outside. I'm handling the camera with my one hand and just removing it with another hand, that's why. And after removing this, you can find this lock. Just pull it up. This is how to remove this hard disk. You can see it's an Hitachi, and it's an 250 GB hard disk. So if you want to extend the hard disk, you can do the same procedure. You can remove these screws. You can remove the screw from here, and you can insert the hard disk on this slot. Okay, and I will show you the next VGA node. It's an HDMI port. You can see the power slot, setup node, and this is flash port, and HDMI and internet port. This is flash means lightning port, this one. So we have to remove this layer, and I will show you how to remove. Before removing, you will find the screws, or 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3. You have to remove these screws also. So we can remove these screws. So we have removed the screws, everything. After removing the screws, you can take a flat screwdriver. After taking, just keep it like this layer and line it slowly. Don't give more stress, it will break this lock inside. So just line it like this and open the top. So I have removed this top door, you can see. So before I showed saying like this Sony, the fan was in downside, it's in the top side. So we have to clean all this dust inside, and we have to apply the paste. So before that, we have to remove one by one. So first we have to remove this layer. So first there is this power supply. First we have to remove. After that, we have to remove the screws and this connection also. And here you can see one screw, and over here you can see one connection. So we have removed 3 connections. After that, we have to remove the screws. Let us remove the screw. It's a small screw. At same this side also. Okay, after that just pull it up. So you can find the SMBS and power supply slot. You can see the dust over this corner, and this you can see the dust inside. Keep it separately. After that we have to remove this layer. Okay, so before that you can remove these two screws and clean inside. You can remove the power supply for fan. Okay, so we have removed this one, and you can find over here one screw. This is for a CD drive. Remove that screw also. Keep it separately, that screw. And before that you have to remove this ribbon cable. So just pull it, this white slot up. White slot, not white slot, not sorry, it's a black. You can find the black, so just pull it up. Okay, you have removed both. After that just take a sticker, because this is for network, for antenna, for Wi-Fi. Just remove that. So after removing, just we have to take it up. Before taking up, we have to remove this one. Okay, we have to take this one up. So let us see how we can remove. I have removed these two screws so that you can see the dust. We have to clean that one, and we have to take this layer also. So you can see. This one with this plate, so we have to remove the CD drive. Just this has locked inside, so just go pull it this corner. Before that we have to remove this one, this. Okay, we have to remove separately. After that just take it out, this CD drive, keep it separately. And you can find this one. Just you can remove this. You can remove this ribbon cable. So you have to remove this one. After removing, you can see this is for hard disk slot. We have to remove this one, and we have to remove this layer because we have to apply the paste. So we can remove this one. So I have removed the screw from here, 1, 2 and 3. There will be 3 screws. After removing, just pull it up. So I have removed. After that, just to keep it like this upside down, and remove this one. This is for to reducing that heat, and they are applied. Here you can see the so you can see the screws here, over here, over here, over here, and over here. We have to remove the screws, and I said you this one with so this one is attached with this processor, so get tied with this motherboard, and the heatsink we can apply by removing only these two. So before that we have to remove this plate also. Okay, so I have removed these 2 screws, so keep it as it's same. Remove this one also, so you can find. And I have removed all the screws, so we have to take this plate outside. So you can see the motherboard, and we have to make it same like upside down. Okay, after that we have to take this plate outside separately. So I have removed this one. Nothing, there is no screws or nothing, just pull it up. It will get a little tight because this paste is both are connected, so it will be a little tight, not more. So just pull it up slowly. You can, after that you can apply the paste over here. After applying paste, just clean that fan, clean that the side cover for that SMBS, everything. So we will do one by one. So before that I will apply the paste over here. You can see I have applied the paste over here and over here. This is the heatsink paste. So I have applied on this and both. Okay, after this applying, we have to close this one. So I have fixed this plate over the motherboard, and you can see dust over here inside. We have to clean this one. After that we have to fix, you can see the dust over this downside. After that we have to keep the down plate. Okay, so we clean this layer. So you can see I have cleaned this down cover. After that you can see it will be very clean. You can use vacuum cleaner to clean this inside, otherwise the dust may be stuck over this inside. You cannot clean by brush, so you can use the vacuum cleaner. It will be very good to use. So let us keep the another plate in the down. Okay, so I have fixed this plate. After that we have to put the screws one by one. If you forget the screw to insert, you can find the arrow mark over here. You can find the arrow mark like this, so it will be very easy. So you have to insert the screws. Totally there will be 5 screws. Just I remove. Three I have fixed. Again 2 more. Okay, again you have to fix over here. That's all. After that we have to fix these 2 plates. This for the this also purpose. This also will reduce the this also will support for reducing the heat, and it get very closer to the make the motherboard, and that layer make it's very close when the screws will be tight. So make it tight. Okay, after that you can fix. Just take these two cable outside and okay, so we fixed into this motherboard, and you can find this cable, just make it as a free. Okay, after this again we have to clean the fan, so you can find the dust over here. You have to clean it, so you can see how I have cleaned the fan, so you can fix this fan. Just fix the screw before we remove. Sorry my dear friends, so remove one more time because this power cable must come other side, so just keep it like this. Okay, so we have fixed this one. Again we have to fix this CD drive. Before that we have to put the screws, just we have removed before. I have fixed all the screws. After that we have to fix this CD drive. Just insert like this. Okay, just fix it. Before fixing this we have forgot one thing. Just remove as it like this. We have to fix the power switch that we have removed before. Okay, this switch we have to fix it. So you can find I have fixed this one. After that just fix this CD drive. Okay, so after fixing this I have to fix this cable over here. Okay, then here's Wi-Fi cable. To fix this, first black then white. Okay, so we have fixed this both. After that we have to fix this ribbon. Just there will be a lock, black color. Just pull it up. After inserting this cable, just lock this back slot down. After that, you find this cable and this power cable, so we have to fix that too. So we have to clean this SMPS. Okay, so let us clean this one. So you can find everything cleaned. So next we have to fix the SMPS. So fix this power supply and this also. So after fixing this, we have to insert the screws. Okay, again one screw on this side. So we have fixed everything as it before. So okay, again I had to close the door. Two. Okay, so we have closed again, and we have to put the screws for back sides. So just tighten the screws. Just here to fix this. To fix this hard disk. Okay, we have to insert the screw. Just insert the screw. close this layer, this one for closing this side. Sorry, before closing that we have to remove this screw. We have to fix this. Okay, now insert the screw. Just close it. After this you can find this one. Only that's all. And other than we have to fix these 3 screws. So we have cleaned everything and I fixed it same as it like that. So this is how to remove and refix it, and for reducing the heat, this is the method you can do. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.